guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you some last minute Halloween costumes for under $10. You can make the majority of these costumes with something that you already own, so it's very convenient for last minute. So if you like this video and it helps you out, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below. And let's just get on right into the video. Okay, so the first one that I have is an angel. All you'll need to do for this outfit is wear all white, which I'm sure the majority of you own. Even if you don't own white pants, you can just wear jeans. People will know what you are. And then just go to either the party store or the Halloween store and get an angel halo, which they will definitely have because that's one of like the basic Halloween costumes. And it'll be like $5 if that. And then if you're a girl being an angel, you could do your makeup really like glowy and glittery so that you're like from heaven, like an angel. For the second one, kind of the same thing. It's like a devil. You could just wear, again, all red or just like a red top and jeans and whatever. And then just, again, go to the store and get devil horns and maybe one of those like pitchfork things that the devil has. You could wear like red lipstick and that's it. It'll cost under $10. It's so easy, so quick, and it's a good Halloween costume. The next one is pretty basic. It's either you could be a leopard or a cheetah. You could either wear like a cheetah top or something like that, or you could wear just like all black and go to the store and get some cat ears and like one of those like attachable tails that you can attach to your pants or something, and you can just draw whiskers on your face and draw a nose, or you could even do the cheetah makeup that people do like down the side of their face or something to make it a little extra to look like you didn't do it so last minute. That one is pretty basic, but it's still cute if you want to be a cheetah or a leopard. The next one is you could be a lifeguard. Again, all you would need is to get like, you could go to like Michael's, get like a red t-shirt, you could crop it even if you wanted to, or you could get a red bodysuit and then just get some fabric paint and paint like the lifeguard like symbol onto it. You could even write lifeguard on it. And then you could just get like a whistle to put around your neck and then just some like white shorts. And you can probably get all those from Michael's or like Forever 21 or something super cheap, and it'll definitely be under $10. The next one is a witch. So all you would really need to show that you're a witch is the hat, which again you can get at the store for probably under $10. And if you really wanted to go all out with it, you could paint your whole face green to get some face paint and draw on like a little mole or something like that. And then you could probably just wear like all black. Wear like a black dress or something and then just some like heels, I don't know. And as long as you have the hat, you'll be a witch. You could even carry like a broom with you. So the last one that I have is you could be a fairy. So all you would really need to do for this is just wear like all white, or you could wear just like airy flowy clothes, and then you would just need to put like a bunch of glitter on your face. And then from the store you would just need to get like either wings, or you don't even really need those, but like you could, or you could get like a wand with like a star on it or something. They'll definitely have both of those things. You could either get like one or the other. Probably be easier to get the wings because you don't want to carry a wand all night. Put glitter everywhere and you'll be a fairy. You could even put glitter in your parts if you want. How people have been doing lately. Keep up with the cool kids. And that was my last costume idea. I know these aren't super creative, but again, it's for like last minute ideas. So if you're kind of in a rush and you don't have time to do DIYs or anything like that, these are good costumes for that because you're still going to be something and people are going to know what you are, and it's cheap. So if you liked this video and it helped you out, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!